Hey guys, today I'm going to be covering water filters. So when you think of a water filter for survival, most people will think of something like this small Sawyer backpacking squeezy bag jobber filter. These are great for what they are and really valuable pieces of kit to have in your bag, but I'm going to be looking at a much bigger filter system, ideal for prepping for a family, or if you're doing overlanding, or if you had a group in a crisis, an emergency. So we're going to be looking at what potentially could be the best filter system on the market for the likes of me and you to buy. So let's get into it. So here it is guys, what an amazing bit of kit. This is the Lifesaver Jerry can. It's really robust, sturdy, so heavy, empty. It's just really solid, rugged bit of kit. It's a pressurised filtration system, so because it has to hold pressure, it's extra heavy duty. It's got these mounting holes to attach it to your vehicle, and basically it's got two elements. It's got a pump setup, and then it's got your filtration unit and tap. So the pump unit simply unscrews, and here it is. It's got a small valve here, like a one-way valve, which you can pop out to clean every now and again periodically. And then in this end where the tap is, we unscrew the tap. Inside there, this is where the magic happens. This is your filter. So this thing's absolutely crazy, state-of-the-art filtration. You can periodically take it out and clean it. So inside the base of the tap part here, inside the box, when you get the filter, it comes with a small bag, and you've got this charcoal filtration like capsule that you have to fit inside, and this takes taste and flavour from the water source, and this red cap actually goes over the end of the filter, so you can give it a clean periodically for maintenance. You can clean it with like a sterilising tablet and water mix. So that's that. The carbon tablet as well will probably go some way into removing like heavy metals and chemicals from the water as well. It probably have a multitude of reasons it's in there apart from the taste. So the unit itself holds 18 litres of water, and the filtration unit's got a capacity to filter 20,000 litres, which is absolutely mind-blowing when you think about it. That is, I mean, look at the price of bottled water. Even though this unit's quite expensive, it would pay for itself a couple of times over in just buying water. So that's a couple of real positives about it. This is not a paid promotion or a gift. I've brought this myself. I know someone who's got one, so I thought I'd take the plunge, buy it. The times we're living in, just handy to have a system that does everything. It can take the most vile, dirty water and turn it into a potable drinking source. It will take 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, cysts out of the water source and make it safe to drink without the need to boil or anything else. So the military use them, a lot of overlanders use them and swear by them. So I'm gonna give it a run. I'll do another update video further down the lines to let you guys know how it's going and what I think of it. But when you first get it, there is all the inside of the can and the filter's coated with a protective like glycerin. So when you first get it, there's a procedure you have to do. So you have to unscrew the pump, fill it with clean tap water, right full to the top, screw the pump in and do nothing, just leave it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, you take the pump back out, discard the water down the drain, and then you refill it again, and then you give it 8 to 10 pumps, and when you've pumped it up, tip it on its side, and then release the tap and allow the water to start coming out, and this will generate the flow through the filter and give you the flow rate that you desire for normal use. And it's very important, once you've done that first flush through, that you put a couple of inches of water, clean water, in the bottom of the can, just to maintain the filter, because when it's in storage, if the filter can dry out, then it's got a fail safe in it, so it will actually shut the filter off, so then the filter would need replacing. So you can readily buy the filters from Lifesaver in sealed packages. I think they have a 10-year shelf life when they're in these metallic mylar bags, and they also sell packs, multiple packs of the replacement carbon filters, and I think the carbon filters are good for 500 litres, I think, each, like carbon pellet. So yeah, I just wanted to run through this with you guys. Many of you would have heard of it already, but for those who haven't, and you're looking for maybe a prepper situation where you want to have something, you could just have a backup water source if you know, if everything goes to pot, or for camping or for overlanding. So you know, you're in the middle of nowhere, you've got no access to a shop, but you come across a stream or pond, you can safely take that water and know that you can run it through this, have no issues whatsoever. It'd be perfectly safe to drink. So I absolutely think these are a game changer for a big group or overlanding or in an emergency. This is the sort of thing that would be donated out to countries that have just had a massive natural disaster. So it just provides instant safe water. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll do a follow-up with this. Obviously I've just got it, so as soon as I've got it into use and been using it for a while, I'll give you guys an update and let you know how I'm getting on with it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more similar content, and check out my other videos for survival and bushcraft ideas and tips. Thank you very much.